Hey guys, my name is Prathmesh and welcome back to my channel Deep Insight Review. Today I'm going to review a brand new AI design tool called FLEXXA AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly what FLEXXA AI is, how it works, walk you through its features step by step and explain every upgrade, funnel and autos, and of course share my exclusive bonuses. So stick around, you don't want to miss. So if you want to try AI powered content creation tools or AI design tools, whether you are running a local restaurant and need professional menu designs or social posts, a marketing agency juggling 20 clients accounts, a business owner who can't afford $500 per social post, or a new entrepreneur who wants to launch a business without breaking the bank, then this tool is for you. So what is the FLEXXA Studio is? FLEXXA Studio is an AI-powered design workspace that turns your idea into publish-ready visuals for every major online use like social media, e-commerce, print-on-demand, marketplace, websites, ads, education, and agency branding. It combines fast AI image generation with pro-level editing, brand consistency control, e-commerce mockups, storybook creation, batch processing, and team collaboration. So you can create once and deliver everywhere. Here, what makes FLEXXA Studio different? Perfect text engine with vector text overlay technology that creates crystal clear typography at any size. Industry specific workflow designed for e-commerce, social media, print on demand, agency, and more. Automatic multi-platform resizing. Create a design once and it automatically adjusts for Instagram, Facebook, Amazon, Pinterest, and more. Professional quality control with built-in guardrail which automatically rejects broken or low-quality output before you see them. Characters vault. Create a consistent brand mascot and reuse across unlimited projects. Background editor. Remove, replace and relight backgrounds automatically, perfect for e-commerce product shots including Amazon-ready product image, lifetime scenes and marketplace listing. Generate professional visuals for your products. Storybook creator. Turns your script into illustrated books with consistent characters across all pages. Mockup generator. Instantly create product mockups with t-shirt, mugs, books, and more. Batch processing. Upload a CSV and generate hundreds of designs automatically and much more. So now let's watch the demo of FLEXXA Studio.
Welcome to the official demo video of FLEXXA Studios. As you can see right here, from a quick glance, we've got multiple different tabs for you to navigate through the system. For example, if you want to go through any of the left creators, you can put the keyword right here, for example, social post, and it will pop up the designer section of it, and you'd go directly to it and start working. Now, as you see right here, we've got Nano Banana, which is a Gemini trendy thing that you all know of. We've got it integrated right here. What you can do is basically take any of these sections right here and replace them with any image you want. For example, if I want to do that guy, I've placed, actually, I did it already, so we can check it right here. So that's me replaced with him. And even my tattoo is right here, which is really nice. I actually took the tattoo exactly as it should. Now, here we've got multiple different tools. There's over 75 tools in FLEXXA Studios. Here we got the design studio section, art creators, social post designer, photorealism, t-shirt designers if you sell t-shirts, prompt to image, logo maker, wildlife art, next gen image studio, poster creator, pattern maker, sticker studio, AI influencers as well. In this section, we've got coloring sheets, partner sketch, YouTube thumbnails, kids' tales, graphic icons, pattern makers, scripted stories as well, animal portraits, consistent character, storybook, personal tales, wall art canvas, cover designer. And we've got as well AI assistants. AI assistants actually help you with your tag. They're there to assist you as agents, so they don't do the full job. They assist you with the job. Consistent characters, you got 2D and 3D art styles, realistic photos, and multi-consistent characters as well as an AI art creator to create canvases, any kind of art, really. Let's go through some of the popular sections right here. Let's go with prompt to image. For example, let's place a car that is branded by Monsuri in Monaco with a license plate one, number one, and a nice blondie woman next to the car. Let's do that. I just came up with it. Private quantity is one, and let's generate. Now, there's something called prompt enhancer. And if you press that, this will be changed and enhanced for a very detailed prompt, which we placed in here. But I don't want to do that right now. I want to keep it simple just to show you how powerful the image is going to be out of this simple prompt, like easy human kind of prompt. So let's do that. And it's generating. Now I'll give you the story about that one. So now it generates and processes, and we'll wait for a bit and look at that, guys. As you can see right here, if you see, let's go zoom in. So it got me a car in Monaco, a luxury car, and this lady right next to it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful outputs. And our system is always enhanced and getting enhanced by our team. The outputs are gonna be even better. Now, if we go through, for example, let me go through this tool, the Pat tool, because I like it. Where was it? Animal portraits. Okay, a dog with fancy cigar, all serious, and with Ray-Ban sunglasses on. Now, here, high quality clothing. Let's do superhero. Let's do realistic. Let's do castle, and let's generate the portrait. Now, in this section, you're gonna see this guy. So I generated this guy under royal, having a cigarette in his hand, and I look the output, and I generated this guy too with his cigar. And look at that, it looks amazing. Right here, this is being generated as we speak. And look at that guy, superhuman, next to a castle with a cigar and Ray-Bans on. This is crazy, isn't it? Perfect. There's a lot of sections here, a lot of different tools, a lot of different ways to generate images that serve your business and your agency and serve your customers as well. There is all the tutorials right here to show you everything. But as you can see, we simplified everything for you to generate amazing outputs. And you can regenerate them. There's no limit. Here we got the agency reseller section. If you got into the bundle, here is all your projects, here is your teams, and here is your folders. As you can see right here, there's a bunch of them. I actually created that. So I gave an out input, a prompt, and told the tool to create me two luxury branded cars under Mansouri in Dubai next to Burj Khalifa. And that's what I got. Future of Luxury arrives, Dubai 2090 Mansouri. As you can see right here, that's the M in the middle. So this is modified by Mansouri in 2090, apparently. I hope you're happy with the demo, and we'll see you on the inside.